When people think about anti-aging, they often focus on their face, skin, or joints. But few realize that our feet age too. Over time, the natural cushioning and fat pads that protect the feet begin to thin, circulation slows, and small structural changes can cause pain, stiffness, and fatigue. At Feet and Beyond, we believe your feet deserve the same rejuvenation and renewal as the rest of your body. That's why we created our anti-aging foot healing package, a holistic regenerative solution designed to restore foot cushioning, rejuvenate tissue, and protect your feet from future wear and tear. Why foot aging matters. Your feet are the foundation of every step you take. As we age, the natural fat pads under the heel and ball of the foot become thinner, reducing their ability to absorb shock. This leads to discomfort after walking, standing, or wearing certain shoes, and can eventually affect balance and mobility. Ignoring these signs of aging feet can lead to chronic heel or forefoot pain, calluses and pressure points, changes in posture and gait, limited activity and loss of confidence. Caring for your feet early helps preserve your mobility, independence, and comfort for years to come. The Feet and Beyond Anti-Aging Foot Healing Approach. The anti-aging foot healing solution from Feet and Beyond takes a regenerative, non-surgical approach that blends advanced medical technology with holistic care. We combine clinically proven therapies to bring comfort, balance, and vitality back to your feet. Regenerative foot fillers to restore natural cushioning where it has thinned. Laser therapy to boost circulation and support cellular renewal. Biomechanical and nerve assessments to enhance foot alignment and stability. Personalized supplements to strengthen collagen and tissue repair from within. This integrated approach doesn't just relieve discomfort. It helps rebuild and protect your foundation for the future. Restore, rejuvenate, and protect. Our goal is simple: to help your feet feel and function younger. By restoring lost padding and stimulating your body's natural healing response, you can experience softer, more cushioned steps, improved stability and circulation, reduced pain and fatigue, renewed confidence and freedom in movement. Step into the future of foot health. Aging is inevitable, but how you age is up to you. At Feet and Beyond, we help you take each step with strength, beauty, and comfort. If you've noticed your feet feeling thinner, more painful, or less supportive than before, our anti-aging foot healing package, as part of our holistic foot healing solution, can help you restore youth to your steps and protect against future changes. Call Feet and Beyond today or visit feetandbeyond.com to schedule your consultation and discover the art of anti-aging foot care.